Now there's kitty taxes. That's different. That's not active. That's passive income, right? The kitty tax is a whole different situation. Thoughts on SEPs? SEPs are amazing. I have a SEP-IRA myself. I did it for 2025, and then in 2026, I'm converting that over to a solo 401k. Fingers crossed, I don't need to hire any employees. But if I have to hire employees, then I can't do that. What is a disregarded entity LLC? A disregarded entity is, for example, this holding company over here. This holding company right here is what's called a disregarded entity for tax reasons. So there is no election made. What that means is that when there is no election made at the entity, that passes through to the shareholder, which in this case is the client, right? It goes straight to their personal tax returns. Does she need to be an employee, or can I make her contractor? So Terry, if you are an S Corp, which I believe you told me you are, you would have to put her on payroll. You cannot do the contractor with her. Okay, I would add her on payroll. You are gonna pay a little bit on payroll taxes. You know, it's not a big deal. It's probably a few $100, but that's the cost of saving a little bit of money, right? You got to give the government a little bit. You got to give their share, right? Okay, I'm going to pause here for comments. I appreciate everyone asking questions. Let me just get through this, and then we'll pause and we'll keep going. I just want to get through this lesson since I'm recording this.